The scientific miracles of the Quran. The coming of the universe into existence. The origin of the universe is described in the Quran. In the following verse, He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. Surat Al-An'am 101. This information given in the Quran is in full agreement with the findings of contemporary science. The conclusion that astrophysics has reached today is that the entire universe, together with the dimensions of matter and time, came into existence as a result of a great explosion that occurred in no time. This event, known as the Big Bang, proved that the universe was created from nothingness as the result of the explosion of a single point. Before the Big Bang, there was no such thing as matter. From a condition of no existence in which neither matter nor energy nor even time existed, and which can only be described metaphysically, discovered by modern physics, and time were all created in the Quran 1400 years ago. The expansion of the universe, in the Quran, which was revealed 14 centuries ago at a time when the science of astronomy was still primitive, the expansion of the universe was described like this. And it is we who have constructed the heaven with might, and verily, it is we who are steadily expanding it. Surat Ad-Dariyat 47. The word heaven, as stated in the verse above, is used in various places in the Quran with the meaning of space. Here and again, universe. The word is used with this meaning, stating that the universe expands.
And this is the very conclusion that science has reached today. S. Waqar Ahmed Husseini, The Quran for Astronomy and Earth Exploration from Space. Good Word Press, 3, edition, New Delhi, 1999, pp. 103 to 108. Until the dawn of the 20th century, the only view prevailing in the world of science was that the universe has a constant nature and it has existed since infinite time. The research, observations, and calculations carried out by means of modern technology, however, have revealed that the universe in fact had a beginning and that it constantly expands. At the beginning of the 20th century, the Russian physicist Alexander Friedmann and the Belgian cosmologist Georges Lemaître theoretically calculated that the universe is in constant motion and that it is expanding. This fact was also proved by observational data in 1929. While observing the sky with a telescope, Edwin Hubble, the American astronomer, discovered that the stars and galaxies were constantly moving away from each other. A universe where everything constantly moves away from everything else implied a constantly expanding universe. The observations carried out in the following years verified that the universe is constantly expanding. This fact was explained in the Quran when that was still unknown to anyone. This is because the Quran is the word of God, the Creator, and the ruler of the entire universe.